I want to talk about using a platform called Hootsuite, which is free to use, to help you send your YouTube videos to tons of different platforms at different times. And you can schedule an exact time and day when to send these social media posts out. And so Hootsuite, as of right now, lets you get 30 free messages to send out to social media platforms per month. And I use it a lot, more than 30 times even. And by the way, I'm not affiliated with any company. I'm not trying to make money off of this. I just want to humbly help if I can. And so what we do is my YouTube videos are published on many different platforms every single day. In addition to YouTube, of course, using Hootsuite. Now, one thing I've discovered is that if you just put the link for your YouTube video on other social media platforms, it won't get as many clicks. It won't get promoted as much by the social media platform. So for LinkedIn, for example, I upload all my videos directly to Hootsuite and to YouTube, and I just provide a link to it. But I know, and I just don't have the time to upload directly to LinkedIn, but I know, and I've been told by my friends that work at LinkedIn, that if you upload the video directly to LinkedIn, it will get more airtime and more views. And the same thing with Twitter as well. But if you wanted to, you could just go to Hootsuite for now until you free up time to upload it to lots of platforms. You can just go to Hootsuite for now and upload your YouTube video there to many different platforms. And if you have questions about this, please let me know. Thanks.